way too long from you. And I'm sorry, but I can't control just what you do. And I hope to God that you leave me soon, that you walk away from this burning bridge that you crossed too late, and you just forget that we ever met. But before you forget, there's just something I have to say. I'm sick of your voice, sick of your face, sick of your choices, sick of your name, sick of your pleasures, sick of your pain, sick of your pressure, sick of your game. Seems to be about you. Exercising criticism, thinking about when I'm through. Think your traumas don't affect a single person around you. I'm not your therapist or boyfriend, try and get the two confused. I'm best friends with your new boyfriend, and I'll tell him every truth. I don't care if you don't like it, I don't care if he tells you. Tells me that you fucking hate me, well it's about time that you do. Get the fuck up in my life because I'm still in love with. I'm sick of your voice, sick of your face, sick of your choices, sick of your name, sick of your pleasures, sick of your pain, sick of your pressure, sick of your, sick of your sights, sick of your